The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright my people, Dancehall Skiller there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, big up, I see. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, and the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a man lift and hold up 6 crates with his teeth. And I'm talking about the teeth that are in his mouth. Now I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think overall about this video. Tell me if you see anything at all in those crates that man lift and hold up with his teeth. Now, even though it might be amazing to see a video that shows how a man lift and hold up crates with his teeth, I want to say to each and every one, do not try this at home. Do not even attempt to try this. Do not try it at all because it is dangerous. Alright? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Well, my people, based on some of the things that I saw in that video, I do not think that man having any dentures in his mouth. No, I don't think so. Me not think him having no dentures at all. You see what I say? No, but on a real still though, you know, something like that is dangerous. You know, I mean, lifting up crates with your teeth can hurt you. Your teeth can pop out. See? I wouldn't advise anyone to do something like that. You see what I say? Even though it might seem amazing, but at the same time, no, I don't encourage no one to do something like that, you see. And the reason why I make sure somebody said these things is because I get the understanding that you have some persons on social media who will see certain things and follow. Well, me I tell them, don't try this at home. See? Yeah, don't try this at home. Anyways, alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present any of those videos to you, I would like to share information that I got with you, my viewers and subscribers. So I got information that Lee Scratch Perry had died. Yeah, Lee Scratch Perry had passed away. He was a record producer and singer. And according to information that I got, it is said that he died on the 29th of August, the year 2021 at a hospital that is located somewhere in the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright, so just to let you know those informations that I got. Yes, may I say? And in my point of view, Jamaica lost another music icon. You see? Why is it that some people love KFC chicken so much? Eh? Why? Including myself too, you know. Yeah, I love my KFC chicken, you see. The reason why I said those things though is because I saw a video on social media and I'm going to present that video to you. Yeah, the video that I'm going to present to you is going to show quite a number of persons outside of a KFC establishment in the rain, waiting for their turn to go inside to buy whatsoever they want. And quite a number of those persons can be seen with umbrellas. And the person who video recorded the video was inside of a motor vehicle at the time when the video had been recorded. Anyways, let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Can somebody tell me what them put in a KFC chicken? You see? Look where rain a drop. And look on the amount of people we are waiting for the colonel. Yeah? Look there. That's why the Rasta man say, where them put in a chicken?
Where them put in a chicken? And I really still know, I don't think I really stand up outside of a KFC business place or building so me and wait for buy chicken in the rain with the umbrella. I don't have time for that. Rather go somewhere go buy a box food or go somewhere else. You know, try a Popeyes or something. I just saw it go. See? Yes, KFC chicken tastes good, but I don't think I go to that extreme. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is about a man who had been accused of coughing and put out of a building. Yes, this video that I'm going to present to you is about a man who had been put out of a building because it is suspected that he was coughing. My people, let me know what you think about this video. I do not have any confirmed information as to where or when this video will be recorded. And I think I've seen this video some time ago. You know, I think that this video had been posted on social media some time ago. But anyways, just in case if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have never seen this video, I'm presenting this video to you, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
As what this security said,
sorry? The security has nothing to do with our operation.
I am not coughing. I am not coughing.
I am saying to you, a member of staff as well as
I am not coughing. I am not
coughing outside.
I am not.
Listen,
so why are you getting angry?
That person, and me.
Yeah, but this is my point. I am not coughing. Why are you putting me out from the building?
Well, you coughing.
No. What is the difference between a cough?
Why you lying?
Is why?
Because all three people will be lying on you.
Well, I wish them all three people real good luck, because by just doing so, I don't think there's a cough. And if I had a cough, with your experience,
a member of staff said you were coughing outside.
So why I am not coughing now? This is my point. If I have a cough, I will cough. If I have a cough, I'm supposed to be coughing all now, ma'am. I can't understand it. I'm not coughing. I need to get my cash.
I have things to finish.
I understand, but understand my point. Why are you taking some other people? If I have a cough.
What do you mean I'm taking things from other people? These are the people who are standing in the line. I was hearing you coughing.
So why I am not coughing now?
I don't know why you're not coughing.
But this is it. That is sense.
Well,
think about it. It doesn't look so.
Okay.
You look like a big beast.
I am a beast?
You are a beast. You can be pointing your fingers at people. But I am leave. I will leave. But I have you on record. Have a nice day. Each and every one of you.
My people, let me tell you something, you see? Yes, when it comes down to this COVID-19 thing, trust me, it have quite a number of persons living in fear, you see? Yeah, to know that, you know, the virus can spread just by someone touching you, even talking in your face and all these things. Them things, they really and truly have a lot of people scared when it comes down to COVID-19, you see? So if someone don't want someone to be around them if they're not wearing a mask or anything, well, I can't say nothing, you know what I mean? Because if it was me, I would try to protect myself too as well. Because I don't want to catch no flu nor no virus, you know? So I just saw it go. You know, I mean, it seems really harsh to put somebody out of a building because the person a cough, you know? I mean, what if the person a cough because his own saliva choke him, or maybe the person just have a little allergy, you see me? But then again, you just may never know. Maybe the person have the flu, you know what I mean? So, you know, a lot of persons now don't really want to take a chance. So I just saw it go, you see me I say? I mean, even when me go to a business establishment, it's like someone there at the doorway. Well, most of the places them where me go, someone there at the doorway, and it's like the person have this thing where them just pump on some part of your body and just take your temperature, and then either they have a pump back with something, you know, if you sanitize your hand, or you go inside and hold your hand under something and sanitize your hand or something. But this COVID-19 pandemic have many people worldwide on high alert when it comes down to the virus. You see me? And I can't blame nobody, because me myself don't want to catch no virus. Me don't want to catch a COVID-19. Me don't want sick. You see me I say? And me certainly don't want to lose my life because of no virus. Nah, not at all, you see it? Yeah, so yes, I'm gonna leave it number people. You know, you don't know me there to keep you up to date and post and let you know what's going on. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.